Do you know that Spot the Difference videos on YouTube are attracting millions of views every day? And here is my YouTube channel created in just 20 days to prove it. Do you want to create similar videos and make money from YouTube without appearing on camera? Get started now! In the Spotmaster course, you will learn how to 1. Step-by-step create a YouTube channel from scratch. Learn how to set up, optimize, and customize your channel for success, even if you're a complete beginner. 2. Make a Spot the Difference video easily. Discover simple methods to create engaging videos using high-quality images, animations, and effects. No advanced editing skills required. 3. Upload videos and escape the 0 views problem. Learn how to write compelling titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails, and share your videos to get instant traffic. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and start your journey to building a successful YouTube channel.